Hello, this is Dr. Hobbold, and I'm going to help you with this problem where we're finding 10% of a lot of different quantities. So just like we did with 50%, if you watched that video, something we're going to think about is how many groups of 10% are in 100%. So how many groups of 10% are in 100%? That's a division problem, right? Because we're asking how many groups of a certain size are in some whole collection of things. So 100% divided by, and really we can just think of this as 100, divided by 10. What's that? 100 divided by 10, that's like saying 10 times what equals 100. 10 times 10 equals 100. So 100 divided by 10 is just 10. So really we're saying that if we take 10 gallons of milk and we break that into 10 equal groups, how many things would be in each group? So 10% is like 1/10 of 100%. So if we have 10 gallons of milk, then what's 1/10 of that? We have 10 gallons of milk. So we have 10 gallons of milk, and we put these gallons of milk into 10 equal groups. How many things are going to be in each group? Just one. So 10% of 10 gallons of milk, that's just going to be 1 gallon. Let's think about the next one. So how far is 10% of a 2,000 kilometer trip? So what is 1/10 of 2,000 kilometers? So if we take 2,000 kilometers and we put them into 10 equal groups, so 10,000 or 2,000 kilometers, 10 equal groups, then in each group we have 2,000 divided by 10 kilometers. So what is 2,000 divided by 10? That's going to be 200. So how far is 10% of a 2,000 kilometer trip? That's going to be 200 kilometers, because 10% is like finding 1/10, and 1/10 of 2,000 kilometers is 200 kilometers. So next, how long is 10% of a 24-hour day? So what is 1/10 of a 24-hour day? So this is like finding 24 divided by 10. And what's that going to be? What's 24 divided by 10? That's 2.4. So 10% of a 24-hour day is going to be 2.4 hours. So 10% of a 24-hour day is 2.4 hours. And that's not the same thing as 2 hours and 40 minutes, by the way, because 4/10 of an hour, that 0.4, that's going to be a little under half an hour, actually. Because 1/10 of an hour, 0.1 of an hour, 1/10, since an hour is 60 minutes, that means 1/10 would be 6 minutes. So if 1/10 is 6 minutes, then 4/10 would be 24 minutes. So this is actually like 2 hours and 24 minutes, or just 2.4 hours. Thanks for working this problem with me, and I hope it'll help you be successful.